All right guys, we just hopped in the RV, and before we get this trip started, I want to show you guys a little bit of what I've been up to for the past couple days. So I got a new tattoo. I'll show you guys that later. Eric and Trusty got to LA a couple days early, so we took their FPV drones up to the Hollywood Hills. You guys have to check this out. Here's my tattoo, by the way. It says never finished. We woke up pretty early to pick up the RV. Needless to say, this thing is sick, and it's gonna be home for the next 5 days. So we just got to the RV. First stop, the Mojave Desert. Then we're picking up Jordan in Las Vegas. Let's get this trip started. Rolling. We're out on the road now, about an hour and a half from the first stop. This is the start to the trip of a lifetime, and you guys are not gonna wanna miss what comes next. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.